How to reset Canon Pixma TS 5151. Stay on the home screen. Use navigation arrows on the control panel to select the gear icon. Press OK. Select Settings and press OK. Select Device Settings and press OK. Press the up arrow. Make sure Reset Settings is selected and press OK. From this menu, you can reset different sets of settings depending on your needs. For example, if you have some connection issues, you can reset LAN settings only. If you want to reset the printer to the factory defaults, select Reset All. Press OK. Select Yes. And press OK one more time. Thanks for watching.